Hey everyone. So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to use multiple Gmail accounts on one phone. If you have a personal account, a work account, or maybe a business email, this full guide for 2026 will help you manage all of them easily in one place. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. This works on both Android and iPhone. So yeah, no worries there. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This is where all Gmail account options live. Tap Add another account. Choose Google, then sign in using the email and password for your second account. Follow the on-screen steps and allow permissions if asked. Once it's done, the new account will appear in your Gmail app automatically. To switch accounts, tap your profile picture again and select the account you want to use. You can jump between accounts instantly, no logout needed. If you want to see emails from all accounts in one place, enable All Inbox. This saves a lot of time when you manage multiple emails daily. You can also control notifications for each account separately. This helps you avoid getting overwhelmed by too many alerts. If you ever need to remove an account, go back to the account menu and select Manage Accounts. From there, you can safely remove any Gmail account from your phone. For best results, keep labels and signatures different for each account. This avoids confusion, especially when sending emails from the wrong account. And yeah, that's how to use multiple Gmail accounts on one phone in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.